not ready for that. Sounds deeper just driving normal, but when you step on it, woo! What up YouTube? So it's 90 degrees outside. Just got my air intake in right there in the back seat. About to go install it. So I'll see you guys when I get to my parents' house. Driving right now. It's a nice freaking Lancer. I really want to see if it makes any difference. A lot of people say it makes a difference, but I'm always skeptical. I just expect the least, I guess. Never installed air intake. A little nervous. I don't think it's gonna be too hard. With my luck, I always expect something to go wrong. There's the basic G6 engine bay. I mean, with a little bit of, man, my car looks good on this camera. First things first, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Yeah, there we go. Pretty sure you disconnect the black. Let me do a quick Google check. Now it's time for this beautiful box. That's my thumbnail right there. Boom. They don't tell you there's a nut on the bottom of this, but it fell somewhere down in there. Oh well, should be able to take this off right about now. There we go. Pops right off. Now back to the instructions, because instructions help too. That's what we have YouTube for. So next, I can't read up right now. Next, it says move 3 bolts, secure the stock air in box, which that looks completely different than mine. So, yep, I'm gonna just remove stuff because that looks nothing like my car. What it looks like I gotta remove, star bits. I was able to get those off, and it looks like somebody stole my screws. Putting these bolts in, those nuts in with those nylon lock washers. I also started to put part of the intake on, putting it back on because I had this the wrong way, didn't know it could go the wrong way, didn't think about it. Kind of tedious, but everything, we got our little mounting bracket going on, which is great. We bent that bracket and hooked up here. So what you don't want, if you got the 3.5 liter V6, you don't want your AC line to be rubbing against your power steering belt. Got to get this hose right here onto this. So I got the air intake on, all said and done. Looks a lot cleaner. It doesn't sound that much different until you press on the throttle, and then you hear a little like woo sound. I know, cheesy, but you hear it. But all right, I'll show you guys that when I get back to my place. Like, it sounds deeper just driving normal, but when you step on it, woo, that's nice. Oh, we're gonna lose a piece of paper. Don't want you guys to hear that paper flying out, but boy, it sounds nice. Look at that.